bigger than the ocean. I'm in the sunshine state of mind. I want this feeling forever. You are the summer of my life. I'm bigger than the ocean. I'm in the sunshine state of mind. I want this feeling forever. You are the summer of my life.
Thanks for watching the video. I'm very proud of this project. This is my favourite project for myself, which I've worked on. I've worked on many projects, different things commercially and domestically. Yeah, but this is really high-end finish. The marble stone is from Lapacida, which is based in Harrogate, and yeah, it's a really good quality stone, as you can see. Really enjoyed this project. It's going to take a lot to top this. You know, as you can see, the quality's there throughout. So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, if you'd like to like and subscribe and share this, I'd appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys. Cheers.